What is up, YouTube? I'm back, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a mid-drop fade. I'm giving you guys a full tutorial step by step, and I'm just going to give you guys some tips of what I do to achieve this look. Stay tuned so you guys can watch the full tutorial, so you guys can elevate your cuts. And if you want to see other cuts, comment. And I also have a couple of other tutorials on my channel. Make sure to subscribe, like, and just watch the video if you want to achieve a mid-drop fade. Alright guys, let's get started with this drop fade tutorial. I'm going to go ahead and start with my foreguard, just debulking and taking off all that weight so I can put in my lines and I can achieve this drop fade, make it clean, and just make sure he walks out happy and just full of confidence. So here we're just gonna put in my line with my trimmer, making sure to give it that drop in the back. Here I am making sure my line is straight, just making sure it's nice and even, so when I put my other lines they can also be even, they can all be the same. Just making sure all my lines are consistent and they all have the same shape and curve so I can achieve that drop fade. I'm just taking off that rest of the hair so I can leave them nice and bald. Then I come in with my 1.5 halfway closed, just taking off more weight, not too much, but just enough so I can put in my 0 guard and my 1 guard. Here you guys see I keep that same curve and making sure that my 1.5 guideline is the same as my bald line, just so all my lines can be even and I can have a consistent fade. Now I'm going to come in with my 0 open and just, as I said, keep the lines consistent. I have all my lines going in that same shape, giving them all the curve so I can give them a drop fade. Now I'm going in with my 1 open as well, doing the same as my other guidelines, just keeping them consistent, giving them that drop in the back. There I just close my lever so I can start taking away that line from the 0 to the 1. Now I come in with my 1.5 again, just blending that fade into the bulk. So I'm using my 1.5, just blending to the bulk, not taking any off, just making sure it all looks blended and making sure my fade comes out clean. Then I use my half guard, halfway closed, just taking out that line from the 0 to the 1, and we can start seeing that fade coming in. All we need to do is just bald them out with a shaver, which I'm gonna do right here. Just gonna bald them out, making sure I take it all the way down to skin, just so his haircut lasts that much longer. The shaver will give it about 2 to 3 days more. It just looks a lot cleaner when it's all the way down to skin. I'm making sure to take my time, just so I don't accidentally cut him or anything, and just so I can achieve a clean fade. Now I'm coming in with my 0 guard, so no guard, halfway closed, just working at that bald line. I'm halfway closed and I just go all around my guidelines, and then eventually I'll close that lever all the way and I just take that line out fully. Here I believe my lever is closed all the way and I'm taking out that line fully. Just make sure you don't take your lines up any higher than they already are. You're just taking out that bod line, so you're barely tapping that bod line. Here I'm just debulking the C cup, so when I line it up it comes out crispy and there's not that many overhanging hairs. I'm also trying to do my best to blend into the bulk. The key to this haircut is just to make sure you add that drop in the back. I'm making sure I take off enough weight but not too much weight, so when I line it up it looks crispy. Here you guys can see me with my trimmer just lining them up. This lineup is just bringing that haircut together, and it's going to help me see all the imperfections that I left before, so I can come back and detail just to make my fade that much cleaner. Here I come in with my razor blade. I'm making sure I stretch the skin the opposite way just so I can prevent cuts and nicks. Make sure to always stretch the skin the opposite way that you're cutting. Now you guys can see me detailing what I was talking about. This putting in that line, just make sure I can see the imperfections in the fade and making sure I can come back and detail. As you guys can see right here, I'm detailing with my half guard just to make that fade that much cleaner. Now I move on to the other side. I'm gonna let you guys watch all the steps all over again, and I'll see you guys at the end of the haircut, and you guys are gonna see how my steps to a drop fade work and how what I do to achieve this look. Here I'm just putting in my last little details, and after all the work, all those guidelines, here are the results. You guys let me know how that cut came out, what I could have done better, and like and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see. I'll see you guys in the next video.